Today we're diving into exactly how to fix the green screen on iPhone in just a few easy methods. Method 1. Force restart your iPhone. The first thing to try is a simple force restart iPhone. Quick press the up button, and quick press volume down, and then press side button until you see the Apple logo screen. Method 2. Update iOS software. If the green screen is still there, make sure your software is up to date. Apple often releases updates to fix known issues, and this could be one of them. As you cannot update iOS on iPhone settings as green screen, you can use iTunes to update iOS. Method 3. Restore your iPhone using iTunes or Finder. As a last resort, you might need to restore your iPhone through iTunes or Finder. Make sure to back up your data first. Connect your iPhone, open iTunes or Finder, and select Restore iPhone. This can fix deeper software issues that may be causing that green screen. Method 4. Using MagFone iOS system recovery. If all else fails, you may need to use iOS Repair Tool. This is an advanced troubleshooting step that can help resolve persistent issues with the iPhone software. Now let me show you how to use MagFone iOS System Recovery to fix iPhone green screen. Select iOS System Repair option, and click Start button. Choose the standard mode to proceed. MagFone will prompt you to download the latest firmware package for your iPhone. Click Download and wait for the process to complete. Once the firmware is downloaded, MagFone will start repairing your iPhone automatically. This process may take some time, so please be patient and do not disconnect your device. After the repair is complete, your iPhone will restart and you will find that your iPhone is not stuck on preparing to transfer anymore.